New hair hoodies. But are you seeing this? Bitch. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Chantal. If you're new here, welcome. Thank you guys so much for joining me. For today's video, I'm gonna be creating the look that I have on right now. Look at that. And we have new hair. Comment down below and tell me what you guys think of this hair, what you think of this look. Yeah, and the lips, I just wanted to keep it real simple because I have a lot going on the eyes. But yeah, for this look I used the Amrezy collaboration with Anastasia Beverly Hills. So obviously this is part of my ABH series. Yeah, I just kind of had some fun. This was a recreation, so I'm gonna have the originals, the person that originally did it down below. Yeah, so if you guys want to see how I created this look, keep on watching. Hi guys, so for today's video we're gonna be using the Amrezy palette. That's what it looks like. I have used this palette before, but I used like the pinks and the purples, the teal. So today I'm gonna be using the darker tones, Gemini and Litty. I saw a video on TikTok with this girl and she did this really cute like cut crease kinda. So I don't know if y'all can see. Y'all see? There we go. So that's what I'm gonna be doing today. I'll have her Instagram linked below so y'all can go and follow her and see her other looks. She's really amazing. Her name is Xosandy Garcia. So yeah, that's what we're doing today. Okay, so to prep my lids, I'm going in with the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in the shade Ginger. And yeah, my brush is still dirty. Did not get a chance to wash them, so pray for me, Alia, pray for me. Okay, so now we're going in with the P. Louise base in the shade Ruma 0.5. I just really put the concealer down first because I find sometimes the Ruma 0.5 to be a little too light. So I just kind of mix the two together. Okay, so I think the first shade I'm going in with is OG. Just this one right here. So I'm gonna apply this in the shape of like a wing, but I'm taking it in the crease. So I'm first gonna do like kind of map out our wing, and then I'm gonna take it in the crease. Okay, so after OG, I'm going in to darken it with 1988. and I'm using a smaller brush. Okay, and now we're just gonna kind of blend OG and 1988 together. So I'm going back in with the brush that I used to apply 1988 and just kind of like blend the two together. Actually, no, that's not what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna use the brush I used to apply 1988. And try to use light pressure when you're blending it out. For me, I always like to start lightest to darkest, so that's why I went in with the light brown first, and then with the dark brown. It's just easier for me to blend that way. And I try to use a little bit of product at a time and then just build it up as I go along, because it's just easier to blend that way. But that's just me. With makeup, there's no right or wrong ways. It's just whatever works for you and whatever you're comfortable with doing. That's just how I see it. Okay, so now I'm going in with the brush that I used to apply OG, and I'm just kind of softening the edges of that color a little bit. Okay, so now on an angle brush, I'm gonna go in with BK, and I'm gonna put that where we lay down that that brown color, that 1988. Alright, that looking good. So now we're going back in with 1988, and I'm gonna blend the black and the brown together. Use a very light hand because it could get muddy real fast. So now I'm taking a little bullet brush like this, and I'm gonna blend the edges of the 1988 with the OG. So just put like a real little bit on your brush, and we go back in and we blending that together. And just keep like going back in and reapplying and blending to your own likeness. Like right here, I just want it to be a little bit darker, the brown shadow. So I'm going back in and then going back in with the bullet brush to blend that out. Okay, so now I'm not going in to cut the crease or anything. I'm just gonna go in with Litty first and put that like in the outer corner of the eye. It's like a glitter. Do I want to do that? Okay. Not afraid. That wasn't bad. When you're applying it, just like press it onto the lid. Try not to swipe because it's a glitter. It's like a weird formula. It's like a glitter, like a pressed glitter. So if you try to like blend it or swipe it, it will move. Like you will get a lot of fallout and you will not get no pigment at all. So yeah, I would recommend just like patting. Okay, you guys, so now I'm going in with Gemini and I'm gonna put that on the inner, what do you see it? The inner part of my lid. Okay, so now moving on to my skin, I'm going in with the Show Cream from MAC, and this is in the shade Gold Light. No glow lotion today on ya. Okay, so now I'm going in with the Laura Mercier Hydrating Primer. Okay guys, so for foundation, I'm going in with the e.l.f. What is this? Flawless Foundation. And I have a lot of new friends on my face today. Okay you guys, so now I'm going in with a little bit of MAC Studio Fix Fluid. Okay, now going in with NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in the shade Ginger. Okay you guys, for bronzer, I'm going in with the Pro Conceal palette from MAC with the shade NW43. It's so hard doing your makeup when all your favorite brush is dirty. Okay, so to highlight, I'm going in with the Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Light Medium. Okay you guys, so to set under my eyes, I'm going in with the Laura Mercier translucent powder. Okay, so to set the rest of my face, I'm going in with the Sephora Micro Smooth Powder. You see me doing so, I wish this compact had a mirror. Okay, so to brands, I'm going in with Refined Golden from MAC. for blush, I'm going in with Petal Power by MAC. Okay, so now for my lower lash line, I'm first going in with OG. Okay, now I'm going in with 1988. Okay, and now I'm going in with the black one, which is BK. Okay, so for highlighter, I'm going in with the Laura Geller Gilded Honey. Old as shit, but it's one of my favorites. Okay, you guys, so this is the final look. I am obsessed. Yeah, I didn't think it would have turned out this good, but I love it. I love that snatched wing shape, you know. Yeah. Oh, I think I didn't mention the color that I have on my lips is just the Fenty Gloss Bomb in the shade Sweet Mouth. And my lashes are Libra from the Voguish Beauty collection. So yeah, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you want to come back and vibe. Don't forget to check the description bar down below. I'll have everything that I used on my face linked for you guys. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Bye, guys. Lord Father. What? No.